Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then here click on the wallpaper section. Here you can see that we can select our new wallpaper from our local photos. So there are photos previously taken on our device camera, also from the live wallpapers recently used, and they pre-installed that are the default wallpapers, and also we can select one from the online wallpaper. So I'll show you two ways how we can change the lock screen wallpaper, and the first way is I'll just show you how to install, just how to set the default wallpaper. Just click here, for example, to this folder, select one from these wallpapers. You can also here tap to preview. Okay, and then just click here to apply, and we want to set this wallpaper as a lock screen. Click here. You can see that here the message that this wallpaper applied successfully to our lock screen, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way. You just should hold for a while your device screen. That doesn't matter which screen that will be. Just hold for a while or just swipe with your two fingers, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper icon. By the same way you will launch the wallpaper settings here, and now for example we'll select one from the online wallpapers. Just select, for example, this one, click here to apply and set as lock screen. Wait a second, and now as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper from the online wallpapers from the internet. But be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile data, because if I'll just show you. So if you will just turn off, I'll just turn off the Wi-Fi, for example. I can't hear. I can send one from this wallpapers card, because as can you see we can't connect to the network. So just to remember that to set the online wallpapers you should be connected to the Wi-Fi or to the just regular mobile internet. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.